Hi guys, today we're going to talk about EDID lock, to ensure that the image output device better recognizes the display attributes, and to prevent issues on screens. EDID locking is necessary during events. The EDID should be locked before configuring the graphics card. Open NVIDIA control panel. Right-click or to search it. Workstation view system topology. The monitor means none of these were locked. Select the monitor you want to lock. Export and save the file. Then to load. Select the file you just generated. Select the monitor and click Load EDID. A success message will confirm that EDID has been loaded. Then you can check the EDID lock status has changed to File. It means the setting is successful. And here is how to unload the EDID. Here will show that the EDID status has returned to monitor. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.